In industrial settings, selecting the right instruments is crucial. Integrated instruments combine sensors and processors into a single unit, making them ideal for stable environments where space is limited. Their compact design simplifies installation and maintenance. Conversely, remote or split type instruments separate the sensor from the processing unit. This configuration is beneficial in harsh conditions, such as areas with high temperatures, corrosive gases, or strong electromagnetic interference, as it allows sensitive electronics to be positioned away from adverse environmental factors. Remote instruments also offer enhanced monitoring capabilities with larger displays and more control interfaces, making them suitable for complex industrial setups requiring frequent adjustments or remote monitoring. When choosing between integrated and remote instruments, consider factors like installation environment, operational needs, maintenance requirements, and specific application scenarios to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your industrial systems.